What's up everybody? I've been trying to make this video for the longest time now, but I've come up with a million excuses not to. But with it being a new year, I thought it'd be a great time to start. The tentative upload schedule that I have is to make 2 videos every single month. The first video being a travel tip, like this one, and the second video being all about a travel destination. With that in mind, let's jump into it. So today is going to be all about Google Flights. It's one of the easiest platforms to use. It has tons of features. They're all easy, but some of them are not as well known as others. So here today are 5 essential tips everyone should know while using Google Flights. The first is incognito browsing. Why you want to use an incognito window is because the less information you give Google about your search history, the more likely you are to get a better price. Now this isn't a hard, fast rule. Oftentimes I don't use incognito mode, but in general exploration, I found it to be the best way to ensure that you're going to get the best price. In order to access incognito mode, it's really easy. All you do is you go to your browser, you head up here to File, New Incognito Window, and you type in your website. I have a quick button here, and there you go, you're now searching in incognito mode. Now the second rule is very contradictory to the first. That's why I said it's not a firm, fast rule, but it's using Google Flights tracking feature. This is an awesome feature because it allows you to know when your price is going up and when your prices are coming back down, because it sends you email alerts to know exactly what your flight prices are doing, so you never miss a deal. Okay, tracking flights is just as easy. Let's pick one of these options down here. Let's say we want to go to New Orleans, March 18th through March 27th. We're not quite sure if these prices are the best prices yet, so we just want to see what they're going to do over the next few days or weeks. So we hit this button right here, and it'll start tracking all of the flights for these days. Say there's a specific flight that you're looking for, you can only leave in the evening, so you click on this flight, and you have to return by the afternoon. You can track specific flights here. Now, that's not all what you can do. When you go up here to your tracked prices section, you can see all of the flights that you're tracking. You see here I have a whole slew of them, and inside each of them I've been tracking these flights to Greece for a long time now. You can click on this button and see what the price history has been over the past few months, in this case, where things went inexpensive, where things were more expensive, and so on. The third tip is actually my favorite. It's using Google's expiration feature. What this is basically the ability for you to look at regions, continents, or areas rather than specific destinations. It's for those type of people who just want to go on vacation and get the best deal. So this exploration tool is amazing. It helps you find the best deal to anywhere in the world. So I live here in Washington, D.C., and let's say I want to go somewhere in Europe from May 6th to May 13th. And it will generate all the prices here on the left column to all the major destinations, and you can compare. It will also tell you if it's a great value, if things are on sale. And as you zoom in, it will generate more prices to more places. Let's say you specifically want to go to this region. You can see what is the cheapest there. Another great feature is if there's not a specific date, you just want to go for 1 week, let's say in the next 6 months, then you can just click here and it will generate the cheapest price to go to these destinations. If you zoom out, it will give this entire area. Let's say you want to go to Florence, and it's $710. Which is a pretty good deal. And I'm sure you get the idea. The fourth tip is using multiple departure cities. This is a great way to save time in checking what airports around you have the cheapest flights. Now, let's say you live in a small area with not a major international airport. Like I used to live in Salt Lake City. There were not as many flight deals to all over the world. So sometimes we would have to make our own connections in airports that were close by. And how you would do that very quickly is you would just type in the airport code, let's say LAX, and you hit the comma button. And then you type in your next airport, let's do San Francisco.
Denver, Las Vegas, all separated by a comma. And then you have a specific destination in mind this time. Let's say you want to go to London and you want to go May 6th through May 13th. And now it will generate prices for all of those airports, and whatever has the cheapest price, you can just get a connecting flight to. So you see San Francisco is much cheaper than Denver, which is much cheaper than LAX. So you can quickly find which airport around you is going to be the least expensive.
The fifth and final trick is making sure you check those unavailable prices.
Let's say you found that perfect flight and it's out of Los Angeles. Now you live in Salt Lake City and you need to get to Los Angeles. So you type in Salt Lake to LAX, and you just want to do this one way, and you're leaving on the 6th again, so you just hit the 6th. And when you hit search, you'll see a whole bunch of options here. And there are some companies who does not share their information with Google, and they're down here at the bottom. Specifically in the case to California, Southwest offers great prices with a lot of perks. And you just have to go down, click the select unavailable price, and then it will generate more flights for you down here. There are a few companies that do this. A lot of airlines based out of Asia does not share their information with Google, so always make sure you check this section.
So there you have it, 5 dead easy tips everyone can use whilst on Google Flights. There are loads of other features that I didn't mention, so if there's one that works particularly well for you, make sure you leave it down in the comments so everyone else can know about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at ecoxy93. I'll see you guys in the next video.